She says, why some scholars or students of knowledge follow the opinion that it is permissible to apply for a riba-based home loan if it is your first home or in a non-Muslim country where halal loan is not payable. Aren't they supposed to be patient and just rent house instead of engaging in riba?
Why some scholars say that interest system in a non-Muslim country is halal? It has to be asked to those scholars. Nowhere in Islam riba is allowed. As we learned from our scholar talk before, and from the Quran itself, chapter number 2, verse number 275. We heard the recitation as the introduction of this session. Riba is haram, even though he is in a non-Muslim country or in a Muslim country. So, we cannot justify riba in any circumstances. Riba, Muslims should be away from riba related activities. Then how could we get loans? That's the question. And Muslim societies should have something for assisting people who is backward in those fields. That's the only solution which is applicable in the non-Muslim countries.
The next question from the brothers mic'd on the left.